Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Unboxing on the Violent Running channel. This week we're going to be doing Motorcrate's subscription box. This box cost us £38.90 delivered. This is the April box. It is a little bit later into May when we've got to film this because of filming schedules. So without further ado, let's not keep anyone waiting anymore and let's just get the blade in there and start cutting some seals. So let's see what we get in this one. Quick opening. We have a What's in My Motorcrate pack. Very nice packaging inside here. So let's just lift this guy out. Get rid of that box over our head as always. Pop the little Motorcrate sticker and see what is contained within. We have a copy of Redline Magazine, so that'll give me something to read over the next few weeks. We have an Autovizions from last week's episode, Ride or Die Air Freshener. We have a new Car Smell Premium Air Freshener and Odor Neutralizer. We have some Chemical Guys Synthetic Quick Detailer there. We have another Autovizions Lanyard that we got in last week's Autovizions crate. In fact, we have a little Autovizions sticker. Seems to be 2 weeks back to back of Autovizions this week for us. We have a plush microfiber cloth, and then contained within this tube, I'm going to hazard a guess that Aaron has potentially well and truly stitched me up. Oh no, this looks like a nice little piece of artwork here. So that may, in fact, that is from Violent Clique. That is a nice print there, actually. That might end up on my office wall. All in all, good contents for a box. Let's cut to the panning shots, and then we'll go through the totals. Panning shots there, everyone. Done the quick totals for you as well while we've been looking at those. So the Autovizions Air Freshener, that's £2. The Autovizions Sticker is £2. The Autovizions Lanyard, that's £4. Redline Magazine is £4.10 per issue. New Car Smell from the Chemical Guys, that's on offer on their website at the moment, so that's currently £4.49. Quick Detailer is £9.19 from the Chemical Guys, again on sale. We have the thing that I like most actually in this box is the A4 photography print. Now that's by a photographer called Max Milliship. Go check out his Instagram, some really cool work there. Couldn't find a place to buy his prints from, so Max, maybe do that. I'd pay for these. Had a quick look around online. Similar pricing for an A4 print in this quality is around about £15. Certainly something I'm gonna frame and put up in the office at some point soon. All in all, total box value based on that estimated cost for Max's photography there is £45.73. The box cost us £38.90. Would I subscribe to it? It's a bit on the fence, if I'm honest, guys. We don't know the value of what Max is charging for prints of his work, and we've got to put this out quite quickly. I would happily pay the £15, so I see the value in this box. I think with any subscription box, it's going to be a little bit of a hit and miss. Some months you'll get a load of stuff you want, and some months you're not necessarily going to get what you want. It's about whether or not you're willing to take that risk. All in all, some good quality products. Obviously, Chemical Guys well known for their detailing products. This plush microfiber from Go. That's pretty nice and soft by all accounts from some people I've spoken to. I know the Autovizions stuff is good quality. Redline Magazine gives me something to read. Max's photo is absolutely banging. So yeah, If you want to buy one, buy one. If you want to get a sample, you can get a sample box like we did today. I will catch you on the next unboxing episode, which might be a little while we wait for some things to arrive from foreign shores. Thanks for your time again. Have a good one. Goodbye.